Yo, what's up? We are gonna be vibe coding games today with Rosebud. I'm just setting up TikTok. Yeah. I don't know why I should set this up. I think I set this up before going live. Anyway, whatever. Don't matter too much. Where's the titles? Alright. Boom. Boom. Yo, Khalid. Manus invitation code? Not too sure. Did you apply on their website? I know BrandNat was giving out codes. I don't know if she still is. Let's see, 3 days ago.
Get access to this Chinese AI agent called Manus AI that can actually do actions. This is comparable to the DeepSeek moment. Keep watching because there is a way to get you in the back door. And it is completely wild because everyone's scrambling to get access to this, but it's only by invitation only, and people that are getting access to this are actually selling it on the secondhand market in China, or they're renting out their accounts because it's so hard to get. After doing my video about it yesterday, Manus actually reached out and gave me 50 exclusive access codes, and I'll be giving it out to my newsletter subscribers. So if you haven't already, go to my profile and go over here to sign up. Manus already made me a downloadable spin the wheel thing where it'll help me select the top 50 winners randomly, announcing the winner tomorrow, so you know.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay, I guess you missed out on that one. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, you even sent her a message. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people did. I think everyone wants one of those Manus keys. Anyway, we're going to spend today on Rosebud, trying to vibe code some game. Now I played some of these and I think we might be able to get something cool, but we need an idea first. So hold on, my TikTok chat isn't live. Let me double check that. Why isn't TikTok working? It's working here. Okay, there we go. That should be good. Okay. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe like this template. They have 3JS already. Now, I think I'm gonna start from this and just like do some experiments. So this is just, boilerplate template here. We can press remix to clone it. And we can see it's just one JS file. Okay, very interesting. That's probably good. No assets. Yeah, it's just a spinning cube. Now, I think I want to try like import some assets. Like a GLTF 3D model assets for gaming. Let's see what we can find here. itch.io, I think they have some good ones. Here we go, there's People Pack. Let's just try to get some inspiration here. Also, how is my audio? I'm gonna quickly check that. On LinkedIn, sure. Why not? Hello world. Find here HIO. Yes, that's good enough. It's a bit reverby, but actually I do kind of want to compare it. So right now I'm using this land mic, but what happens if I test 1 2 test 1 2 test 2 3 4 test 2 3 4. This is a different mic. Which one was better, 1 or 2? Or this is a different mic. Which one was better, 1 or 2? Test 1 2 test 1 2 test 2 3 4 test 2 3 4. One was better. Okay. Very subtle. Thanks, Ergo. Here, I will just use one. All right, yeah. So, what should we do? I want to try to use one of these models now. I'm not sure if they're rigged. Should we say like characters, 2D pixel art? Oh, that's pretty sick. A 2D game would definitely be easier. Oh, these are paid. Rigged. PSX Cup. FBX. I think it needs to be GLT. How do I do that? Oh, this is cool. Character customization. Dark Sky, what's up? What software do you use for recording? I use OBS. What are some people's favorite like games? I feel like 3D might be hard. So anyway, I just want to test like, okay, so there's one thing that Rosebud has that like some of these other vibe coding, game coding things might not have, and that's the upload of assets. We can asset URL. Ooh, browse for asset. Let's see like what if anyone else has made content. Ooh, AI asset generator. Generate 2D game assets with pixel vibe. What? Oh wow, they have their own asset generator, but it's for 2D games. That's pretty cool. Should we do a 2D game? Oh, I'd love to make like a Smash Bros game. That might be kind of hard. Let's find like a platformer template. Okay, quite a lot of platformer templates. None of them look let's just try a simple prompt, like a one-shot prompt. We'll see what it does. User Tech, what's up? Do you recommend switching from Android to iPhone 16 Pro Max for privacy and security? I don't think it'll make that much difference as long as you're smart about like what apps you use. I don't know. I'm not an expert in that stuff, but I'd assume like at a base level they'd be very similar in terms of privacy and security. Like they both limit apps onto what they can access, and you can see like all the permissions that an app gets access to. And generally, like I assume your data is going to be either with Google or Apple, and they're probably just as secure as each other, I'd assume. Alright, let's try one shot prompt like a Super Smash Bros. Game. Super Smash Bros. Multiplayer platform fighter game with lives and knockback percent. Let's see. Let's see if it even understands that. Alright, one shot prompt. Let's see how far this goes. Do you know any AI that I can talk to learn languages? Yeah, Juan, there's quite a lot. You can do that with just I think Gemini would be pretty good, but there's like apps that are specifically for that. Like I used to use Lango Talk. That one was really good. Master language by speaking with AI. Like you can speak, it like corrects you and it gives you like lessons and stuff. This one's specifically for it, but I think like just for free. So, I mean that one also has a free tier. I think let's look at the pricing. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, you can try for 7 days. But like you can go to AI Studio and I think you can learn a language here. Let's give it a test. Hey, can you help me with my Spanish?
Yes, I can help you with your Spanish. What would you like to work on?
Alright, let's continue this conversation in Spanish. Buenos dias.
Okay. Buenos dias. How can I help you today?
Correct me on my grammar. Yo quiero que create un jugar videojuego.
Okay, I understand. You want to say, I want to create a video game. In Spanish, that would be, quiero crear un videojuego. Would you like to try another sentence?
Quiero crear un videojuego con inteligencia artificial.
That's great. You said, I want to create a video game with artificial intelligence.
Oh,
your
shit.
sentence is...
This is pretty good. Alright, this is the one shot. Oh, wow. Rosebud actually creates these 2D assets. That's super cool. Great. So it's created the code and these assets. I assume it did like image gen. Wow, it even created like the lives. Let's try play this. Can we play it? Okay, there's an error. We can just press fix the error. Super cool. I have an S24 Ultra. Should I switch to Apple? Does that mean you recommend working from Android to Apple or not? I think the difference isn't that big. Like if you already have an S24 Ultra, that's pretty much like the best phone there is. There's going to be a slight difference if you get the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Like I don't think it's like worth it to make the switch. Like that's like an extra like at least $1,000, right? Yeah, that's just my opinion though. Okay, I think it's still got an error. Guess we can just keep asking it to fix the error until it does. But that's super cool, like it generating game assets. So I think like Rosebud might be the best vibe coding for games. Seems like they really like focused that on their niche. Okay, let's see, does this work now? Okay, I can move around. I can kind of jump. Oh, I can go on the platform too. Great. The character doesn't turn around when I press left and right. So yeah, so these are kind of things we have to just manually prompt. So I'm gonna say when the character runs in a direction, it should face that direction. At the moment, the playable character always faces to the right, but when I like run to the left, it should face left. Khalid's a Samsung bud seller. It's interesting. Maybe I should go on the left here, so. Alright, let's see, do I turn around? Awesome, that prompt works really well. So now, when I run to the left, it faces left, run to the right, faces right. Okay. Now I wonder if it can make a run animation. Can we create a running animation so that when the character is running in a direction, it plays the animation, and when it's stopped, it plays like an idle animation? Now this will be very interesting. It's like, can Rosebud generate the assets for like animations? Hey bro, I have a question. Today YouTube removed me from the partner program. Will I still get money? If they've owed you money from before, I assume they'd pay you that, but I don't know. I'm no expert in the YouTube partner program. Okay, it said it made an animation, but don't see the animation. Load the idle sprite sheets. I mean, do we have to press apply? Press apply, still no animation. Since we're using idle sprite as a sprite sheet for the running, it might not look perfect. Specific running animations, multiple frames. Can we say create specific running animations with multiple frames? Generate the new sprite sheet. Not sure if it's able to do that. Let's see. What phone do I have? I think I have the S22 Ultra. And yeah, it's been good. No complaints. I also have an, oh wow, look at this, iPhone 12, which can be a webcam on the MacBook. Super cool. Did we get the sprite sheets? Who knows? Oh shit, we're dropping frames here. Are we lagging? Ooh, this isn't great. That's not great. Alright, let's see. Did we get the running? Oh no, we got a bug. Okay, the connection's back. Yeah, we're gonna vibe code this game. Still no animations. Maybe we can't do animations. Bit of a pain. Oh shit, it's multiplayer, like local multiplayer. And the other guy like faces the wrong direction. It's pretty funny. How do they attack? Okay, let's ignore the animations for now. Let's say add an initial screen that shows all the controls. There should be running, jumping, and attack buttons. Make sure that the attack works and has a separate sprite. No, user tech with the questions. Bro, stop. Stop with the questions, please. Like, okay, stop with the questions that you could easily Google. I guess. Sorry, I couldn't generate valid code. You can reprompt. Again? Okay, it worked. Attack is F or P. Alright. Let's see. P. Oh, sweet. It like makes me fall under the stage, but alright, what is this one? F. F. Okay, the attack works, but the okay, the attack animation works, except the other player does not receive the damage, and also they seem to fall through the stage when they attack. Alright, still falls to the stage. And doesn't. Oh, there we go. Got a bug here. Update damage display. Alright, so at least try to do it. Oh, there's even knockback. 85%. That's crazy. Oh, hell yeah. Why do the characters fall through the stage when they do an attack? Notice this and try to fix it. I think, yeah, bug fixing. Do you think we'll ever solve bug fixing? I don't think so. Cyrdo, thanks for the rose. What's up, dude? Did it work? No, he still falls through. This is so weird. Add some better fail safes to make sure characters don't fall through the stage when they attack. The highest use attack is answering their own problems. I mean, answering their own questions. Good stuff. So you're gonna reply to some TikTok comments while we're here. If we got any new ones, oh no, looks like we didn't. Comments. Yeah, no new ones. He still falls through. The character still falls through. What can we do to fix it? It's like, I don't know, how do you debug this? Oh, there's a connector super base. Okay, that gives me an idea for the next project. I want to make maybe an endless runner with a skateboard. Oh, yeah, dude. When I was 2014, 11 years ago, I made this game, Skyline Skater, on Android. Not Skyline Skaters. They actually released after me. Skyline Skater. It's probably gonna be hard to find. Oh yeah, this is it. I made this. Yeah. Let's see if I can recreate this game in Rosebud. That would be sick. This also had the problem where the character would like fall through the ground. I remember trying to debug that. Good times. Bro, I made this game without any version control. My version control was just like separate folders being like version 1, version 2. That shit was crazy. Alright, I think I might leave this Super Smash game. Let's try and make a new. Let's see if there is like an endless runner template. Endless runner. Because I made Skyline Skater from an endless runner template. Ooh, we can make a 3D one. This one looks like people have used it. 900 plays. Let's see. Ah, this is sick. It doesn't run though. Oh, it's a YouTube project. Let's watch a YouTube video.
Aw, man. Hey there, it's Sean here, and in this project, we're going to be making a cool endless road with this cute little character with AI. So it'll just take a couple minutes, and you can get started right now.
Make something related to Subway Surfer. Yeah, this is pretty much
by
Subway Surfer.
clicking the link in the description.
Right?
I
want to make it like a skateboarder. But yeah, we could definitely do that. Yo, Voodoo, what's up? The meme coin. Yeah, I did. I recently bought some more because it was pretty cheap compared to what it is. I do plan to do some more projects with it. But, not financial advice. I don't recommend anyone buying it, but it's definitely not a dead project, I think. Line Rider? Ooh, I think that'll be harder.
take you to this prop.
I wonder, okay, so the big question is, how do we replace assets here? Alright, let me try to remix this project. And we can see in assets they have, oh, these are all scripts. Where is the 3D asset? Huh? Oh shit, I accidentally deleted one. Oops. Oops. Did I? Yeah, it still seems to work. You've been holding? Oh, thanks, Voodoo. appreciate your support, you know? User, you haven't had malware that you know of, right? Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what this Dino Surfer. Collect coins, avoid obstacles. Oh shit. This is cool. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, the texture is finally loaded. Alright, we're definitely remixing this. This one works way better. Remix. Why won't it let me remix? What? The creator has disabled remixing. Wow. Wow, Dino Surfer creator. That's so mean. Yo, W Luck. Do you know Cubes OS? That sounds familiar, but I'm not too sure. Alright, what about Anime Runner? Okay, we can remix this. What is this? Alright, let's see how easy it is to like take this and make new like sprites for it. Anime girl, okay. Oh damn, it's broken. Did it work? Just remove the background music altogether. User tech, what questions? What security and privacy does Apple have? They just claim that they do it better. I don't think there's anything in particular that they do that like Android doesn't already do. I'm pretty sure pretty much every like security feature that Apple has, Android already has. We can double check. What security features does Apple claim to have that Android doesn't have? Bro, Google it. Exactly, dude. I feel like all these questions could just be Googled. Okay, we stopped the background music. Alright, let's see. Replace the anime girl graphic with a new graphic of a skateboarding dude. Let's see if Rosebud can do that. Apple has iMessage encryption, iCloud private relay, app tracking. Okay, so number 3, pretty sure Android has, but this is compared to, they say Android's less stringent on what the apps can do. I'm not sure if that's true. Apple's hardware-based security enclave stores and encrypts sensitive information like biometric data. iOS 16 has lockdown mode for extreme protection against cyber attacks, disabling functionalities to reduce the attack surface. Apple emphasizes that much of its data processing happens on the device itself. That's what complexity says. Take that how you will. You'll first need to create or upload a new skateboarding dude in the graphic asset. Okay. So it seems like Rosebud doesn't create assets after it's already been created. Maybe it only creates the assets at the start of the project. So let's see where we can create AI generated sprite assets. Let's see where can we do that. Damn, this is from 2 years ago. I think we'll find one on Replicate. Yo, good morning, Bella. Must be pretty early for you. Nice with the vibe coding. Is this Menace? No, this is Rosebud. I think it's like specifically for gaming, creating games. Let's see. Sprite sheet. Flux sprite. Here we go. This is pretty much what we need. A sprite sheet of sprite showcasing skateboarding person in an animation of skating to the right and pushing and coasting. Coasing. Damn it. How you doing, Dhruv? Yeah, there's just vibe coding games with Rosebud. They have some pretty cool features like asset creation and like tiles. I guess for this one it won't make sense to have a dude skateboarding in the forest, but we'll just see how it goes. Damn, this is taking how much does this cost? $0.1. Oh, like 1 cent, sorry. Trying to get your repo up to level, nice. Damn, this is kind of slow. What's going on? Is it even running? Doesn't even look like it's running. Oh, there we go. Had to download Laura. There we go. There we go. Oh man. This isn't great. Okay. I think I might just try create one from scratch. $2D 8-bit endless runner game with a skateboarder skating on rooftops that has to jump between various rooftops to make it to the end. They grow high scores. There's also various obstacles. Alright. So I think like when you have a starting prompt with Rosebud, it actually creates the assets for you. So let's see. And then after this, I might actually like, this is what I wanted to work on for the next stage of Tech Friend Coin, was this MMO game that I made years ago. The original idea was to have this game backed by like a coin, like the currency. I still think that's a super cool idea. There's a ways to go, but oh, see, yeah, we generate the assets now. It's definitely not 8-bit assets. which is a bit annoying. And looks like there's some server error. I wonder how many versions of this we can run. Like if I just do that here, it's not complaining. I might just try like the same prompt like 4 times. They should have this in their own UI, you know what I mean? Like it should be like Chaos Coder where, I don't know if you guys haven't seen this Chaos Coder, you can give it the prompt. Let's say I want 4 different websites of an endless runner skateboarding on, wait, I can just, wait, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh, here. A 2D endless skateboarder game. And it generates all 4 websites in one go, 4 different versions, instead of me having to open different tabs. But not a huge deal. What are we learning today? Yeah, we're just trying this rosebud.ai. It's one of those prompt to, this one's specifically for gaming. You can see it like generates assets as well as the code for a game. Yeah, so I'm trying to get an endless skateboarding game, and like endless runner game, specifically skateboarding. And we also have Chaos Coder here making 4 different sites for this endless runner in one go. You see this is much faster, but it's not this one's not really for games. So yeah, the output isn't great at the moment. Okay, we have, oh shit, this one looks pretty good. Okay, there's an error, we're gonna fix that one. Error here, fix that one. Error here, all 3 of them with errors. Okay, we have 3 separate attempts. Another error here. This is pretty fun though. This is a true vibe coding experience. Okay, here we go. Damn, this is actually pretty close. There should be information on the starting screen showing the controls for the game. Also, the start of the game should be relatively simple with only a few gaps and then increasingly get harder. Let's do that. The restring break? No, we're still good. I've got a bug on this one. Ooh, this one looks pretty sick. Have the skater spawn a bit higher because it seems to fall through the ground on initial load. Also have a starting screen which shows the controls. Oh shit. Here we go. Space or click to jump, avoid obstacles and gaps, don't fall off. Oh yes! Dude, that's somewhat working. That was cool. Oh, this is sick. Why does everything seems to fall, even the obstacles. Only the character should have gravity applied to it. This is pretty sick. The scrolling doesn't seem to start anymore, and also after starting the game, the initial text should disappear. Alright, this one is the most broken. I don't even know what to prompt for this one. Oh, actually, it starts pretty good. Oh shit. The background doesn't fill the whole screen, and also the gaps are way too big. They should be a lot smaller. Oh hell yeah, this one's actually playable. This is sick. When the character falls off completely, it should be a game over. And show the score that they got. Oh hell yeah. Dude, this is actually getting somewhere. I'm pretty pleased. Okay, this one's better. The gap between the rooftops is still too large. Also, when the skateboarder falls to the bottom, it should be game over, show their score and ability to restart. Oh, here we go. This is almost. After restarting, the game doesn't play properly. Oh hell yeah, this one's the best one. There seems to be only a finite number of rooftops generated. It should be endlessly generating as the character scrolls to the right. Ooh, this is pretty good. The game doesn't properly start scrolling after the first reset. Still only like, how many is it? 1, 2, 4, 5. Wait, there's more there. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems still only 5 rooftops were generated. It should continuously create more. Be endless. Oh dude, this one's looking way better now. Game over. Oh shit. This is pretty good. This one's actually endless. Oh, the gaps are way too big. The game doesn't end properly when the skater hits the bottom of the screen. there's just a thing there. God damn. It's so close. I don't know how. Do we just keep prompting this till it works? Oh, this one completely. Okay. The game is now always starting with a game over screen. Oh, we got worse. Can we like roll back? I think maybe with that apply button. Okay. Damn, I'm not meant to hit those air conditioning units. Dude, it still doesn't create more. Not enough buildings are being generated. I think we need better logic to like spawn new buildings when we hit the rightmost building, or maybe the middle or something. Ooh. Bro has no neck. Do we need to remove these purple buildings? Remove the purple building. They seem to be buggy. I don't even know if it'll know which one the purple building is, to be honest. What language model were you using a few minutes ago? Like the transcription tool is called Aqua Voice. Yeah, if that's what you mean. So like voice to text. Nope, the purple building's still there. Come on, new buildings. Oh, this looks like it maybe created some new ones. No, I don't think it did actually. Come on. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not like 6 or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still seems that there's always only 7 platforms generated. Why is this? I don't know how else to prompt this. All like fairly buggy. It starts with the game over screen and unable to progress from it. I think we just have to spend like an hour in a death loop trying to fix it. This one's the closest, but it just only creates 3 or 6. Maybe like we have to go into the code, or I think another idea is to like prompt it to like generate something in the UI so I can actually debug like what's going on. Add some debug messages and logs in the UI so I can debug why the new platforms aren't being generated. Also label each of the types of things we generate with specific names so I can reference them. I think that's a good idea. Oh, this is good. It's good when it's not the purple. Oh shit, this one's actually somewhat working now. I gotta know what the purple one is so I can tell it to not create the purple one. I might do a similar commit for what? Previewing. Let's refresh this. Alright. Add bounding boxes and name each asset that we render so I can reference them in following prompts. I need to go to the toilet real quick. It's Aqua Voice. This one. With aqua.com. I'm gonna be right back. Language models? Bro, are you talking about Aqua Voice? I just put it up there, man. I assume you're talking about... What was the URL with aqua.com? Alright, where did we get to? Right, this was my favorite one. Let's see if we get... Oh, nice, we got debugs. Awesome. 10. Okay, it thinks we have 10 platforms. And say add bounding boxes and labels for each asset that's generated so I can reference them in future prompts. In the user interface. I think that's a good way to debug them. Still showing game over. It's still showing game over. Wait, is that logs? Do we get logs? Not really. Might have to give up on this one. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, perfect. What? The labels don't move with the assets. Also, the labels should be the asset names as well. Does that make sense? Oh shit, Mr. T! Long time no see, man. How are you? What's happening? You still doing local AI stuff? You must be having a good time. There's so many cool local models now, or like smaller models, I should say, like QWQ, Gemma 3 just released today. They all seem pretty decent compared to what was on offer last year. Oh, this is perfect. Awesome. Oh, this is so good. Alright, let me see what the purple obstacle is called. Sometimes it doesn't restart properly. I don't know why. Platform 1, platform 2, platform 3. No, but I need the actual asset name. Oh, we can, rooftop angled. Stop using rooftop angled. I will delete the asset. Oh, that's probably how I should have done it from the start. Oh, this is so good. Rooftop platform. Oh, this is great. Great, so the assets with the red debug box should be continuously generated, and the assets with the green debug box should not have any collision tied to them and need to scroll as well. At the moment, the green ones just stay still. Okay. This is an interesting way to do this. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna delete rooftop. Yeah. We should still use rooftop flat asset. Damn, I hope I didn't break that one. Oh shit. What? Why is it working now? Oh hell yeah, this one's actually working now. I guess like when the score works, it keeps generating. Oh, this is great. Oh no, we have a green asset. Oh, this is great. This is actually working. Oh, this is great. Oh, this is so good. Can't believe we actually got something working here. I think I'm just staying on this. Oh no, I'm not. Oh, perfect. Okay. Just remove all the non-rooftop platforms, all the obstacles. Don't render any obstacles. Okay, perfect. Okay, we can just continue with this. I think that's the best one. Oh, this is actually pretty sick. I love the debug UI. It actually makes things easier. But yeah, we're just going to continue with the first one. That's a pretty cool tip. So we learned a few tips today for vibe coding games. One of them is to actually get debug information rendered on the UI. So as you can see, I asked for like all this debug information, bounding boxes in different colors. That way we actually know how to prompt better, because I was saying like, you know, don't render the purple asset, but this AI actually doesn't really know the color of the assets. Like it doesn't have vision probably. So like telling it stuff based off the code is what we need to do. So that was one tip. Another tip was, I can't remember what the other tip was. Oh yeah, the other tip was like generating multiple starting prompts and working in multiple things together can increase the likelihood of having a successful thread. As you saw, I started with 3 separate projects. They were all pretty buggy, but there was one that was kind of working the best, and we kept trying with all 3, but eventually we just stuck with that one that was working the best. Mr. T, have you been? Yeah, my new video is a local AI VTuber. Awesome. Can we look it up? Give us a search term to look it up, and we'll look it up. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh, for some reason that. No, don't tell me it's back on the Okay, sometimes the score doesn't render. I don't know why. There, when the score renders, you know that's when it's gonna work. Hell yeah, look at us go. This is it, we have a working Skyline Skater game. That is so sick. Oh, I love that. Okay, how do we like save this? Publish. Okay, now the next step is I'm gonna try and make like a high scores. So we're gonna try connect this to Superbase. Oh, we can Skyline Skater. Yeah, connect to Superbase. Let's see. Go to your Superbase, create a new project. Wait, what? Go to Superbase projects now. Alright, let's watch this.
Hello, this is step 1 of our new guide on how to connect Superbase to your project and enable a backend. Over here, you see we have this connect easily add a backend to your project. A backend is essentially the stuff that you make an app, like the stuff, the backend device that they get to. So the front end of our app it would be whatever is actually able to source that out, rosebud project. By the end of this guide, you should have your backend ready to go. So hit this copy to base project's URL, and it will take you over. Open it up here.
Okay. I'm gonna create a new Superbase project. It's not released yet. Okay. But a small snippet on your TikTok page. Alright, let's check it out. Mr. T. Ooh, this is it?
We went from being simple cavemen to complex, yet slightly dysfunctional. Humans with a penchant for...
Sick, man. Looking forward to it. Alright, we're gonna create a new project. We're gonna call this Skyline Skater. I need to generate a password off screen. Okay. And then next step. Well, this is so loud now. Edit and follow this into here. Boom. Next. Get your project's URL and API key from Superbase dashboard, and then copy this configuration script. Okay. URL and anon key. I just double check.
Hi, this is step 3 of our new guide on how to add a backend to your project using our new script. So, when you go here, you'll see in the left side configuration an anon key and a secret key. Don't expose your secret key to anyone. It can be very problematic. Make sure you keep that secret.
Okay. Project settings. API URL and anon key.
Safe and secure and don't let anyone see it. With your URL and anon key, it's okay. And keep this open. Now you can hit this. Paste it in here. Say I want to add a backend. We'll add this to our code, and then just like that, our project will be ready to have a backend.
Okay. Wait, what? I'll do that again. Boom. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. I want to add a backend. Start with this. Hopefully this will work. And then I'm gonna try add a leaderboard. That is the plan. Add superbase initialization. Make the create method. Add score saving. Okay. Let's say give me code to run in Superbase SQL editor so that we can have a leaderboard with scores. I think this is how we're gonna do it. Hopefully this will work. Basic score tracking, player name, username. Would you like me to provide SQL code which confirm prompt per player before starting? Prompt sounds good. Give me the SQL, though we should prompt for player name after game finish. Actually, yeah, whatever. We'll just do it at the start. That's fine. Why doesn't it give me the yes? Why doesn't it give me? Give me the SQL. Is it gonna do it? Oh my god, it keeps asking it. Yes. Do it now! Exclamation marks. Let's There we go. Okay. I'm gonna run this. Great. Now implement the code in our project so that we can have people submit their scores to the leaderboard and also render the leaderboard at the start and finish screens. Perfect. I'm happy we actually got something working with a leaderboard. It's one of the features I wanted in my original game, but yeah, I never got to it, and it was just like so hard to pick back up from the lack of version control. Hopefully this will work though. Oh damn. We need to try again. Might have to try it a few times. Is there like a SF rain radar? This one? There's like a live one. Yo, Politik. What's up? Is your name from that that video? What's Rosebud AI? It's a prompt to like game generators, their main focus, and it does some really cool stuff like create and host assets, connect with Superbase. Yeah, so I just created this endless skateboard kind of game, rooftop runner. Here, let's try it. Enter my name, tech friend, start game, tech friend, and there we go. We have, oh, it didn't work too good. All right, top scores. Yeah, it's really cool that we got this, but obviously needs some debugging. Or I guess. Oh shit! I beat my high score. Oh shit! I smashed my high score. Oh, that one was impossible. Okay. Let's just do some prompting to improve the UI. Let's improve the UI. We can remove all the debugging, like the bounding boxes and the player speed. Also, let's improve the fonts for the high score screen, game over screen, and start screen. At the moment, the top scores kind of always stays and it's overlapping the game over. So if we can fix that too, that would be great. It's kind of bad that I'm giving it so much stuff to do, but yeah. No politics here, and then it's like free Palestine, and then the dude's like fuck you, fuck you. It's such a dumb meme, bro. No politics here, no politics. Bro wasn't even talking politics. So dumb. F you. Yeah, I know that meme. I know a lot of memes. Yeah, I know a lot of memes. Okay, this is looking better. Top scores, controls. Make the controls more compact and maybe to the left and have top scores to the right. Right now they're kind of overlapping each other. And if we can improve the font for those as well, it would be great. Also, the button for start game and enter name could be improved, and also store the entered name in local storage so the user doesn't have to type it every time. Yo, Bella, thank you. Okay, there we go. That's better. Let's see how this goes. Tech friend. Oh, I definitely need to get it to start higher. Nice, it saves my thing. Have the initial spawn point for the skater higher, as sometimes it spawns underneath the platform, which shouldn't happen. Also, rename the title from Rooftop Runner to Skyline Skater. Are you just testing these AI tools or actually creating with them? A bit of both. As you can, like, I'm actually creating this. This is something that I'm gonna publish, but mostly testing because a lot of them are early days. But I'm actually pretty impressed with what I was able to create with this. Hakam, what's up, man? Thanks for joining. Oh, that's much better. Here we go. Hell yeah, dude, this is sick. I'm gonna publish this. Oh shit, someone just knocked at the door. I'm gonna go get it. I'll be back. Thing from my neighbor. Any tip to get access to Manus? Oh, dude, I get that question a lot these days. Honestly, I'm not sure. It seems to be kind of like clout based. That's why I'm lucky I got mine. But yeah, I don't have any codes to give. Maybe just keep googling like Manus giveaway, and then if it's like a reputable person, because I know BrandNat had 50 that they gave away like 2 days ago, so that might happen again. I'm not sure, but yeah, personally I don't have any to give. Okay, so I think this works. We have top scores. I'm gonna try publish this. Skyline Skater Endless Rooftop Skating Challenge. I'll leave remixing on. We can change the image. Let me make an image. Actually, maybe just the start screen's pretty good. Okay, can we change that image? It went on my desktop. Yeah. Endless skating challenge with high scores. Publish no logo. Okay. Open the deployed app. Guys, we have it. This is so cool. We have a skating game. Now how do I oh, that one didn't work. Sometimes it doesn't work, okay? And sometimes it spawns you in the gap. Oh my god, it spawns you in the gap so often. Oh my god, it keeps spawning you in the gap. Okay, we need to prompt that out. There is an issue where it spawns the skater in the gap between two buildings at the start. Let's avoid this by having very small gaps at the start of the game, and then as the game progresses, increase the gap size between platforms. Let's improve that. How did I get yours? Yeah, being a content creator. I got mine from another content creator. It was just, yeah, being in those inner circles helped. I think I can add like a domain rerouting with Cloudflare so people can get to that site. Oh, I think my housemate's here. Hold on. Let me be right back. 2 seconds. I just gotta tell something. Tom just came over. He said he's going away for 3 18, but it's easier to feel like without his code. Okay. Actually, I could leave one there, but I'll just put it here. Do you need a hand bringing stuff in, or you good? No, I'm good. I expect it too. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate it. Thanks for telling me. That's all good. Oh, you just it said it's on the like just right before the red. Curve up here. Yeah. Thanks. All good. Really cool or chill? Yeah, so chill. Okay. What's the URL of this AI? It's rosebud.ai. ROSEBUD.ai. Have I tried using browser use locally? I've ran it locally, but with like GPT-4o as the model. Okay, I'm on Cloudflare here. Let's wait, did that prompt fix things? Let's see. Yes, okay. So they start closer together, and do the gaps increase? The gaps don't increase. What? Oh shit. Okay, only have the first 3 with small gaps, and then after that the gaps should be like how they used to be. Wait, can I go back? Let's see, I've never tried the rollback here. Press this. Does that roll back? Yeah, it does, okay. There's an issue where the player spawns in between the gap of the first 2 platforms, so make the first 3 platforms stuck together. Let's try that. What AI am I using? This is rosebud.ai. Yeah, I know the comments hide it, so let me just put it in a notepad. Rosebud.ai. This is the URL. You still can't see it. This one, rosebud.ai. What I hear, Menace is running on after it got hacked. Yeah, no, it was obvious that Menace was using browser use. I don't think they denied it either. They said they use a lot of open source stuff, and yeah, browser use is like the best browser operating thing I've tried. So, okay, there we go. That's much better. All right, let me publish this again. Publish no logo. I'm not sure what logo or no logo does. Okay, so we have the deployed URL here. Now what I want to do is make a domain route. I've done this before. I can't remember how I did it. DNS maybe. Okay, this could be it. If we add a CNAME, skater, and then we put that URL. Oh, it has a slash. I'm not sure if that'll work. Yeah, invalid CNAME. I think there's another way to do it. Let's Google how to set up domain reroute to URL Cloudflare. Rules. Okay, rules. This is it. Create rule. Redirect rule. Yeah, this is it. Skater game. Skate game. Skyline skater game. Request URL. Target URL. Could we do like skater.techfriend.net? https.skater.techfriend.net. Let's see if that works. This rule may not apply to your traffic. Create a new. Oh no, ignore and deploy. I don't know if this will work. So I have media kit. What is this? Oh, this is how I should do it? URI equals / media kit. So if I go techfriend.net / media kit. Oh shit, that's sick. I didn't realize I had that. Okay, maybe we should do that. Custom filter URI. Oh yeah, because it's already Skyline Skater. Okay, / Skyline Skater. Static. Is that how that one worked? Is that static? Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's see if that works. techfriend.net/skyline-skater. No. What else is different? Oh, it didn't save? Custom expression URI equals /media kit static 301 select auto first. Okay. Custom expression skyline skater first static wildcard equals. I think that could work. Was that wildcard here? Equals as well. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, I put the other one first. Oh, because it's an order thing. Whatever. Full equals. URI equals. I don't know. Oh, this could be working. It's loading. It's thinking about it. Yo, Subhan, what's up? Fire away your question. My head. Yes, it works. Okay. Now you guys can try this game if you want at techfriend.net/skyline-skater. Boom. We have the skater game. Wow, we made this in how long? Under 2 hours. Has a high score system. Super cool. Shout out to Rosebud. Boom, is that a new high score? Yeah, 294. Okay. Is this mobile friendly as well? I think it might be. Oh. Kinda, yeah. I mean, you can definitely play this on mobile. Doesn't look the best, but hell yeah. Alright, shout out Rosebud. Is there any best AI tool that will help me with my Python code generator? Yeah, probably Cursor or Windsurf or Aider or Klein. I would do those. Awesome. Oh, really happy with that. Yeah, kind of want to record a demo and put it on X, but yeah, that's sick. I think that concludes what I wanted to do for that. Let's see. Well, I think I had something else in my stream notes. Builder.io cursor tips. Yeah, that one's pretty good. Maybe a different day. I'm kind of burnt out here. Yeah, I'll hang around for like 5 more minutes, but if anyone wants to say anything. But yeah, we're pretty much done here. Pretty much done here. Let's see if we get yeah. Let me rename this. There we go. Yeah. here. Bay Area. Generally, I've always been Android. Yeah, this is my like inspiration, manifestation to get this work desk. We're pretty close, but not quite there, but almost. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining. We're gonna wrap up this stream here, and I'll see y'all next stream. Peace.